Hey friends, if you wish to fix the application is not responding error on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, for the sake of this example, let us say that the application is ShareX. Okay, I'll open ShareX just for the sake of this example. Now, it's not working. It might be opening or it might be in the process. So, my first approach would be to search for Task Manager and open the Task Manager and check the situation here. Okay, does it show in the list of processes on the top? Okay, if it does not, then it means that it is not open. But see, it hasn't launched, it's still here. So I will right click on it and I'll end the task and I'll try to relaunch it. But if it still doesn't work, okay, it worked this time, but let's say that it didn't work. So in this case, I will search for it and I'll go to app settings. I will scroll down, I'll click on terminate, I'll click on repair, and I'll wait till I get the tick mark here. If that doesn't work either, then I will simply reset the application to its default settings and that should fix the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.